Wagwan. Eh? No, man, we just make people know, say people don't here work hard in a sun hot.
Yes, we work hard and time hard.
Time hard. And you sell the thing them. What that now? Rose and almond, spicy and tasty. What that do? Eh? So when I stay there, I hold down for your head, boy. Eh? I see you have rosemary back of your ears. You don't see me I work with peace at all. Eh? You don't see me I work with...
Bad mind.
The what?
People ignore them bad mind.
Yeah, hold on. Bad mind I want for you?
Yeah, the ignore them out your bad mind. I want to left the market. One person to do something for me.
Hold on. Them a fight against what? If you had to look well and I sell look a thing, them a fight against...
Yeah, them a drop powder out here.
No, them not. No. Not what your thing done. Them still a work over out here.
Yes.
A lie.
The young girl them.
No, seriously?
The young girl them out here.
The young girl, when them throw the powder, the over powder, wait though. Wait for do. What them think it for do?
It just make me better.
No, but what them throw the powder, what them want, what them think them can do with it? I thought them want to do, them a throw the powder for stop people, don't. The young girl them, don't.
The young girl them.
The young girl them a throw the powder.
We are mine man.
The one them we are mine man. I throw the powder for stop people, don't. For them alone live, don't.
Remember when you talk to rubbish man, you get the glass of rubbish, you juice out of rubbish man, and the man say,
turn back.
No, the man say, he never knows.
No, him say, thank you for giving me water in the glass.
That glass,
yeah?
He said, the same glass you drink out of,
yeah.
I same glass.
Yeah, remember that,
man. Drink you out, and he say,
yeah,
man, love you so.
Well, you remember the things of me? You remember the things of me?
You rubbish man, me tell you, rubbish man, sing sweet about it.
Yeah.
But you are Raga, we can't forget you. Love you same way. You have free people them, you know, man.
Blessings, man, alright.
Sorry, not the power.
Don't worry yourself.
Don't go and fight, you still alive.
You still there, man.
Still there for you, man.
Alright, blessings.
Time to talk about you.
Alright, blessings, here.
Raga, we want you to come talk about the things them, you know. We want you back on the station to talk about all of the things there.
Why?
Dirty people.
Yeah.
I mean, like when I piss them up. You see me?
Yeah, and fix them up, don't
fix them.
Yeah. Alright.
Yeah.
I know we keep it real, don't
Yeah, we have to keep it real.
Manners, man. Alright, blessings here.
Cool.
What a mix up there?
Yes.
I want to mix up there. I want to mix up there.
Raga, I'm all good. I'm all good. I'm not for mine, man. I come out and sell my money for look good.
What you say? You're all good now.
All of me.
You're all
good. I come
good.
out and take my money, mine, man. I come out and take it for mine, myself.
You understand?
The young girl, them stop mine, man.
Yes. When girl good, girl good.
Girl good, girl good.
Wagwan. Say hello. Well, I'm careful, man. You push over the basket, man, mommy. Say hello, no, man. Well, don't move. Come round here, sir. Come round here, Come, my darling. Lift up your head, no, man. Quick, no, man. Make the car drive, man. Quick, no, man. Hey, no, you not tell me I take away your toilet paper. See me have your toilet paper here. Look back, no, man. Come, no, man. Lift up your head. All right, go on. You're lucky, yeah. That's our word, man. Bless you. Yeah, it goes so, man. Bless up here. It goes so, man.
Yes, Mr. Rock.
Yeah. Eh? I'm a place. Nah, left out a place, you don't know. Never.
We need better than sound.
Eh?
Then we treat you better.
Who need to treat you better? Okay, all right. Now see how
Police them to stop Auntie.
See it there?
They metro them for leave way.
Oh, the metro them still a pressure on us.
Yes, and there's the police there.
Oh Lord. So nobody now represent you know and talk up for you.
MP.
Nobody now represent you and talk for
MP.
God. All right, go on, wallet. Excuse me, we say we look like we need toilet paper, but you know easy. You look like we need toilet paper. Yeah, man, we have enough here. You know, we don't want to pumpkin, no, my bad. Dr. Fish. Candid. One of the fish we get up people love. Dr. Fisher. The good old real Dr. Fish. The two most popular fish in the ghetto, Snapper and Doctor. Eh?
When you go a doctor, this is safe for buy.
When you go what?
When you go doctor, I'm saying buy doctor fish for your nerves.
Yeah, for your nerves.
Yeah.
And stamina and all these things, no?
I breed the girl.
Eh? When you hear it, say?
I breed the girl.
When you eat Dr. Fish, I breed of the girl.
Breed the girl. All you, if you think a chimber, if you are chimber.
If what?
Make you stop chimber if you are chimber.
Oh, if you are chimber with nerves problem.
Nerves problem.
The Dr. Fish fix you, don't?
Fix your nerves.
Man, I say a word.
Respect, Ragashanti.
Bless up here.
When enough we are going to run less some load.
Go on.
Enough we are going to run.
Yes, if I go through downtown and I go through certain to get to area, you ever find somebody a preach? Ever find some preaching I go on? Nowadays I'm utilize the technology, microphone and meeting. Pre-rock one.
Hallelujah. Praise God.
Yeah man, big up Sprat. Can't turn the back man Sprat, you see them shine and pretty. Where they are Earwood Street. That's how the thing, the Earwood Street right now. Big up Matches Lane people, locally and Princess Street, Orange Street, large up. We're there. I want to done was up on Earwood Street when they get fish all about. See the fish over there, so. Fish over, so fish all about. Huh? And chicken food. Well on. Get a shot at the good old chicken food. Yeah. Well, tell her.
No, snapper.
Snapper. Oh, you mean, don't see parrot there?
Right.
You're going to show them. This is a turbot.
A turbot.
That's the parrot there, the green one, a parrot.
Parrot.
That's a parrot. You get the parrot, bossy.
Snapper.
So you have parrot, snapper, turbot.
Jack.
I see Jack there. Eh? No, RAGASTREETS, you know. We make them know what go on the street, you know. Our people. We, our something. Yo, line up your chicken foot. Come over here, so chicken foot. Chicken foot. Take about this chicken. What?
Yes, chicken foot, CB, chicken foot, $150 a pound, and chicken neck, $100.
Chicken neck, $100.
Yes.
And the chicken foot, what the chicken foot best for now?
For soup, stew, peas, curry, stew, and everything you can think of.
Nice.
And you can enjoy the chicken.
And jerk too, don't?
Yes.
And things, so what you do, you strip it.
Yes.
Look how she strip it, look how she strip it, look how she strip it. My make me drop, yeah. See it there?
And this is the clean one, and the dirty one to order some.
Okay.
So the clean chicken foot.
Yeah.
No rare chicken foot.
This is a rare chicken foot.
See that? No rare chicken neck. No, we're not John rare.
Okay.
We're the best chicken foot.
So what the difference between your one and the one over there, sir?
Cause them one out of dump them they come from. Riverton City. So we don't eat that. They want fresh and we pretty. We see.
Oh.
We are best dress.
Okay.
Best dress and CB chicken food.
Best dress and CB chicken food.
Yes.
All about CB.
CB.
Every time.
Okay. And hear what them say? If you want the right chicken foot, Earwood Street. Queen's Market. Earwood Street. Tell him. Yeah.
Chicken foot.
Yeah.
No,
No, okay.
All about the surfing.
So how the excitement for you have tambourine? Big up my boss.
Okay.
Hey, you have tambourine. Tambourine. Yo, tambourine. You know none. Tambourine. I'm telling people they call it tambourine.
Yeah, man, downtown Kingston, and right now we're in front of the famous, iconic Ward Theatre across from St. William Grand Park. Again, right smack in the middle of downtown Kingston, Jamaica. And I don't know, Ward Theatre, more than 100 years here in Jamaica, more commonly known for some famous plays and theatrical performances. Ward Theatre was the entertainment place to be way back in the day when Kingston was populated by Jamaica's financial and class elites. Yes, one time Kingston was just uptown people live here, and Ward Theatre was the place to be for entertainment, operatic performances, plays, etc. But it came to be known for pantomime. Every year Jamaica has a pantomime, a play that reflects Jamaican culture in some way, form or the other. And Ward Theatre became famous for that. It's not in a good state right now. It is seriously dilapidated. Over the years, there have been several efforts to rehabilitate the Water Theatre, to refurbish the Water Theatre. They haven't been as successful as people wanted to, but nonetheless, it's still here.
All
right, we're there. You know, we have passed through the place,
Love Raga every time. Every time. This is Marva. Love Raga every time. Yeah.
Blessings, man. Blessings. Thanks for the support,
Right, thank you.
All right.
I recognize that I just come from.
Yeah, man. Blessings, man. All right. Blessings, man. Cool. Hey, mind yourself, you know.
Yes.
Alive.
You know what's the music?
Alive. Well on there. Bunks it low. What clit alive this? Yo. All of the original TamFam and them, Tambourine family and the whole of just look how my back up downtown Kingston. None other than the great Mama. Mama, what you say?
Yeah, I listen on the radio.
Alive.
Watch up on the TV or movie the way I keep
You see it, come up here, some man. Come out of the radio and say, I think, Mama. I think, see it?
So I go on, everything good.
I'm there, I roll through the place. You see it, you don't know, them can't hold without you, Mama. You understand? Youngster, Mama, what you say? So what go
Not a thing.
Everything good? You still out of East, eh?
No, they are burn out, you know.
Oh.
I'm living on Tel Aviv, no, down a Rumley.
Down a Rumley, down a Tel Aviv. Them behave themselves down there?
Kinda, you know.
Kinda. And things. So what go on differently, though?
Everything now go on.
Everything good? Yeah, you behave yourself now, you still a choppy man, them?
Start behave now.
You start behave now. About time, though.
I get cold in a year, so we have to go on.
They go easy, man. I saw the thing. Mama, glad to see you, you know?
Glad to see you, too.
I step through the place, you know?
I just show them on the TV. I say, when we're going to come back to Jamaica.
Yeah. You don't know where I roll through.
Everybody good, though.
Yeah, man. Everybody good, man. Second back, come call me every now and then and thing, and you don't know movement. Tambourine family grow and get bigger now, you know?
I keep nothing out there.
Yeah, I want to keep something in February there, you know? Go on with that little thing, but we are going to make you know what go on.
Yeah, man.
All right? Good to see you, Mama. Big up yourself, you know? All right? Safety, cool. Yo, this man here, I'm a bona fide virgin for decades. I probably have some 20, 30 years now. That's all.
Party, Raga. Party.
No, you're going like, I can't 40, man. You're going like you want people some old, don't
I'm not really old.
I don't know 40, but I thought we look a bit, don't
Yeah.
Long time, don't
yeah.
Auntie.
We're glad to see you again.
But about 20 years now, I know somewhat, about 15 years I do this.
I do this long time, man.
Long time?
Yeah.
A long time, you know?
I mean like just now, long time. Yeah, really long time.
Well, you don't know whether Mark Lane and East Queen Street. I don't know where the pharmacy, the right at the corner, the mother's the right there, so. And this man here run the music here, so for all them decades here, and all them things there. Good youth, but just don't make him know your woman. Yeah, I'm grind with your woman, I tell you that differently. No feel no way still. So what going on the music thing, you know?
You know the music thing kind of water down, because here walk now in the business, you know. The music straight from the people them. One set of music the people them are listening. Then I listen to original music again.
Oh.
And just the Wagwan. I want me like Wagwan presently right now in the Jamaica system right now.
So what you mean? I'm not listening music from yesterday?
No, yesterday.
No, man, but Waterfall's not still going.
Yeah, but...
Raytown not still going.
Yeah, but the people them now reach out to the music. They're just in the cartel and the rare.
Oh.
You understand me?
Oh.
I'm playing with the good music and put it aside.
See.
When I teach them, they now listen, they now learn. And me is here to teach. And then I listen to me more time.
And right now, if you make music now, you can learn a lot from them music there. You know? So I like say you have to play the music there only. You can just understand the music there and get inspiration to make some.
Yeah, that's a true still. You walk to the music here right now. The inspiration of the music kind of up on a low vibe.
Yeah.
People now take the music on a different level like one time.
I'm not serious about it.
No, it's just a yesterday and today.
Quick thing, quick something.
You understand me I say?
Yeah.
But me I beg them, please go back to the original so.
Yeah.
Don't leave it.
Yeah.
Know where you come from.
Yeah.
And you know where you go. Just like you, Raga.
Cool, man.
Shake up the tambourine.
Mad.
Yeah.
Give it two tunes. Give it two tunes and turn up the thing.
Yeah.
The danger in your eyes is telling me. What you say?
When I say that, Raga will miss your bad.
I'm there, man. I come through the place here. Bless up here.
Every day we listen to show I'm outside.
Outside.
You want
Raga bring back outside. Don't worry yourself. Hey. Yo. Shut up, George. Next tune. What you doing, my bag? I'm my bag this, you know. Give me my bag now. What you doing, my bag? Me tell you say you can't borrow my bag, yeah? But the work and oi! Stop going like you don't know me. You just walk past me so like you don't know. What you mean you know me? You know what I mean you know me from? Me and you used to part from one day, don't you? Know remember? No. You just dash more so, eh? I come out of the rain. Come out of the rain. I say a word. I'm me for tell you, man. What the mix up them there? What the mix up them there? What the mix up them there? Who have a mix up them? Boy, you know what kind of wood them are?
Well, island powder, man.
Island powder,
yeah.
Island powder, hold on.
Yeah.
For real, that's still a one?
Yeah, man, that's a one, man, in real life.
So what them do, them just get the island powder and sprinkle?
The island powder, because them say, oh, be a deer.
Yeah.
It's like chicken back with a chip,
yeah.
A chicken deer.
Yeah.
Oh, be a deer, them go get the whole on, the island powder.
What you mean, oh, be a deer? Like what?
Oh, be a deer.
Expensive?
Expensive.
Yeah?
Yeah, deer.
So where them go buy them things, you know? Them go what? The Wobia man and Wobia woman?
Them go find the store them.
The store them sell the things?
Yeah.
Them? Oh. And if you want to hold down somebody as them thing they go?
Yeah, you can't get it.
Oh.
So I eat them and use pan the youths them. You don't know where them are going.
Island powder. You sure about that?
Sure.
You sure?
Sure. Come and call me myself, them are hold down.
Them are hold you down?
Yeah.
With some more beer?
Yeah. I want them to stop it, you know.
So how you da counteract that now?
Oh, we believe in some prayer, you know.
Prayer.
You see me and cut and clear it, you know, at the rise, you know.
See it there.
Real, man.
Because some man. All right, big up yourself.
Yeah,
here,
man.
sir.
Big up
I'll go to a place, yeah?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Turn on the light now, man. I see my people them there. I want them. Oh, yes. I'm there. Look for how you say you there now?
Yeah.
Oh, you reach out just what?
Nothing
now go. You know, so I come through the place and I walk the street. Everybody a ball, you know. Everybody a ball.
That thing now go on.
So the thing slow. Everybody. Crime and violence. The killing and all them something there. So that affect the economy?
Of course.
People them not spend the money because of the crime and violence.
You can't wear a gold chain, you can't wear your neck down, your ears down.
No, you know, some out on the road and some out at Earwood Street and then two fishermen come up on them say, Raga, come here, Ray. I know, hear the lady, them take off this quick, boy, them go and bad out here.
Not true.
Not true.
Them cut a woman and then take off the woman and take off her murdering off her finger.
Wait, they cut her hand just to take off her murdering off her finger.
Them have to stop wearing them.
Eh? Me don't hear what you say. Well, Anna, tell me what you say. What you say? How you go?
So they wear a piece of wire. See, they can't wear the full thing.
You can't wear your murdering or nothing. Because them what? The youth, them are going wicked.
I don't want them to kill me.
Oh, Jesus, what a thing, eh? Wait, yes, man!
Wagwan.
Yeah, Yasmin, but they are big up Yasmin. Yasmin, Wagwan.
Not a team, me love.
Well, glad to see you. Arcade, me there, you know. And this is a woman in an institution in an arcade. And them people here set it, the great Yasmin. Bust out some new thing where whatever people running for and Yasmin bust them thing there. You understand? We don't even go into too much details. We are so good.
Not a team, me love.
Everything all right?
Every time.
You don't know we are roll through the place, you know?
Yeah.
And think good to see you, man.
Yeah.
And thing and blessings see you, me. You turn up to and glad to see that here. I say a word here, me there, yeah?
All right.
Okay, cool. Because we not style the thing, you know. Style the thing. Well, look at that one, that's how we get busy, you know. Bumbo clap. Yeah! Shuffle up. Hold on. Yeah. I want to them. You understand? Make it up, me, you know. Say I can buy a Lamborghini when I'm done, you know. And turn over the place. All right. You shuffle up? All right, cool. Let's see what I go. So you know play? You know how John on? Eh? Let's go see what I go. You know how play? See, draw about that one there, Draw about that one there and send three. I only my go on, so I can see what I go on, you know. Glad. Allah, I say I gotta go on. No. That's a go on. See it there. All right. Hey, Allah. Can't put on that one that's still already, you know. You understand? Can't put on that one. Talk up to me. Mama, I don't have a beginner's luck. We have to make them know, so we have it like that. One more money there.
Take it up.
One more money there.
Take it up. One in that.
I don't know. I like the blood clot. Jesus Christ, but my blessing still left on me. General. Yo! You know I'm good, you know, I just want to play a game, you see? I say a word here. Yeah. Safety. What's your name? What your name? No man, you look good in a judging clothes. You look good in a judging clothes. You know, see a good looking somebody, you God bless and whatever. Just Raga in the streets, we talk to people, walk up in the streets and we keep it natural and real. Nothing we go on at Jamaica. Everything we go on. You're hungry. You don't look hungry, you look well fed and beatty. Oh, what's that over there? Oh, yo, we want to know if the people them still work over at Jamaica. We still work at Jamaica. We still work at Jamaica.
Yeah, one person should go choose something on money yard.
She go choose something on money yard. What she mean by that?
You must work, something that move out, something else.
What, for make him move out?
Yeah.
Okay, she said that for true? No, all right then, cool. No, the foreigner them said Jamaican them, I beg them too much. Anything go so?
True man, for true, they get them a ball. And they get them a scam out the man, them and we call it there. I beg them, they're not giving a little chance.
What are the woman them out here scam out the man, them a foreign?
I beg them.
A regular thing I go on?
When they truly meet one real life, now them think it's hard to believe in you.
Okay, them feel like some generalship here forward we don't. Like some generalship. No man, hold on man. No, hold on, we're not gonna make it go, but I'm not saying me out here man. So you say when the woman them a scam out the man them now. And think a regular thing that I go on down.
Yes, so when you truly be gonna like it, like them.
Right.
I don't want to still come get it right. I feel like I gimmick them out there, I go around there.
Seen. So what kind of shoes you have? You still have your foreign? Your foreign man said money come get you. When girl good. What you say, Europe? What come here to me? Today your party, which part?
Right, yes, sir.
Right, yes, sir.
Right, yes, sir. Wait, show the thing, show the thing them you see.
See them here.
What kind of cake they on that?
Spider-Man.
Oh, monster, watch out. A Spider-Man that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
A Spider-Man you feature, don't? Eh?
Yeah.
Spider-Man you feature, yeah. So how old is now you saying?
7.
Yeah, 7.
Yeah,
Big 7. How the general your name? What your name?
My name Javon, bro.
What your name?
Javon.
Javon, talk loud. I said Javon.
Javon.
Yeah. So you saying which sound I play at your party? What's sound name?
What's your name again? You got sound name, man.
Yeah.
Arcade Hi-Fi.
Arcade Hi-Fi. So what you say? So you saying? You have a dance, look more.
You say, show the next cake, you say, show the next cake.
Where the next cake there?
Next cake, yeah.
Yo!
Go down more.
Yo!
Go down, show again.
No, you say the cake, you turn up.
Yeah, cake, that.
How would you say that? How would that on the cake? Bumblebee. From Transformer, down.
Yeah, turn up.
General Bumblebee, a Bumblebee you like, down. You don't like Optimus Prime.
Like 2 of them.
You like the 2 of them, but you prefer Bumblebee, down. Because Bumblebee are the general, down.
Yes.
So you have a dance look more.
Yeah, big man.
You know a dance look more.
No.
You know have no look dance. You know your birthday party, you know for a dance, man. Eh? Me want you take it to them look more and give them 2 moves and earth up them head. Give it 2 of the dance. Give it 2 of the dance and you see that down the place, you know. Give it 2 of the dance, man. Yeah, Lord God, all right. Don't pressure it here, you see. Look more thing here. Big up yourself. Yeah.
Big up all them picture.
Yeah, big up the whole of them.
Yeah, man.
All of the youth them. Everybody say happy birthday, you said.
Happy birthday, you say.
We had saying louder. You want to after 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, you say happy
birthday, you say.
Brap. All right. You know want the arm just or nothing, but you're all right though. Okay, everything cool. But that's how you're cute, don't you know that's how you're cute? Look how you're cute and nice with that pretty smile and beat things. Beat them, Munchie, beat them. All right, bless up here. Down the road we are going on, but just say hello to them ladies here in here. So, ladies, I want to do good afternoon. All is well? All is well? We're in curls and more. The ladies, I'm going to do them here for at out look more. And everything is everything nice. Big up yourself here, darling. You all right? Yeah. Good. We love your ear. You want to look nice and neat and thing here. Oh, you do put us? Eh? All is well? I hope so, you know. Okay. And when nobody sprinkling the island powder your doorway under your window. The crosses them. Okay. Then I hide your eye. You hide and don't even know for hide. I saw you hide. The way you hide, you make me notice. So take a shot there, because you hide. Turn on and make the world see you. You know when the world see you? You're goodie. Alright, that's the word. What kind of ear this? What kind of ear this?
I don't know, just mixing it for.
Eh? But a human hear this? A good hear this? Eh? And a tap hear this?
No, it's braid.
It's just braid. So what you going to do with it now?
It's not me, I'm just mixing it for.
When you say mix it, what you mean?
Mix it so it's full.
Where you going to plait it together or something? Okay, so wait, when you say mix it, it's one type of ear or 2 different type of ear?
I'm not sure. I'm not a hairdresser. I'm just helping.
Oh, okay, you're not a hairdresser. Oh, you're so cute. All right, thanks. Yeah, man, it's all about master barbers, inner city, arcade, downtown, something. You know that. May I come over there so right now, that may I tell you, master barbers, big up yourself, man, I get him line up. Look more woman, I dry him and beer things. That may I tell you. Come over here, sir. Come over here, sir. Just it. Hey, don't expose. No, expose. What do you mean expose? You know say you're good. What up? I lie. That's a word. That's a... Take it.
Nah, Raga, you know say some people that smell before you come to me.
I lie.
All right, now me get that sweating on my face.
Oh, sure.
I'm gonna say cologne there, yeah.
That's so.
You know it?
Which guy? The cologne on it. The sweat. A bad man. For try it, man.
Me?
Sweat cologne.
Anything but go down, sir. Anything but go down, sir.
Well, you're good.
No, if you stay down here, I'm missing out for the relay, see?
Nah, man. You know, so we're there, see him, you know, when I left the place, you know. Now, worry, man, we are forward with something.
Talking about current goat and all those, you know, like.
See?
Well, just a
No.
about you, you know.
We're there all about a foreign right here now. We are barely think we're going to drop back into the place. You can't go on there. What you do have me up? I want me do you? I want me do you? Eh? I want me do you? All right, big up yourself.
Actually, she not really come from around here.
Oh, she not come from?
From down there.
Okay.
Yeah. I tell you, true,
Nah, man, I trouble me, I trouble. You know, I say me, I trouble.
Okay, you look good and clean, though.
Blessings, man, blessings, man. We're there, yeah.
No, I'm not polishing, polish and shine.
Oi!
Polish alone couldn't do himself.
Oi!
Shine. Polish with a smudge him up.
Oi!
Polish and shine.
You're full of me, top talking.
Raga, what kind of watch that?
Eh?
I'm fasting at everything, I like good things. Yeah, what you do, I like something. I just say something from down at the place, yeah, right.
Hey! Yeah, it's a real mix-up, you know. That's say one something from down at the something. Down at the place, so.
She don't really know. I'm there to keep on party in a Raga. And it name wear your party colors, green and orange.
See?
I thought about a
For real?
Brazil. Yeah.
How can I tell you I'm going to be the orange?
And I'm going to
Hold on, we like that because, the thing set away now where people just party together.
A party where a party, it's true, nobody don't give that. And a party I go foreign.
Yeah. So we there now. So who are wear green can come, who are wear orange can come, and everybody party.
One blood it needs.
Yeah, no, I love that. Hey, so nobody of you wouldn't even understand where we go through for 80 election and them something, you know.
Because 80 election, I just hold a hard time to our son. Don't think of hard time.
No, but what I say is, from what day, we say, like when PNP and JLP beat up them laugh and things. Them youth no, say that could have never happened 20 years ago. So we give thanks. Jamaica, them grew up and them are wise up with certain things. Yeah.
Our brain grew up.
Yeah, them are wise up with certain. Yeah.
No, our brain not click, because anything we click sometimes stop. When watching that, we no battery stop click. Oh,
full of talk,
the brain are
Raga, listen, you're going to pay for this?
You not get paid for this more than like you would have paid me for this.
Excuse me.
You are getting what is called branding, darling. People going to hear about Jossets, but we tell them about Jossets at inner city plaza, inner city arcade plaza.
Next thing she go think of the code in a country at all.
No, another branding. Another branding.
Tell her she go get a market for that.
You go get a market for it. You say you're ready to take a thing off of me. You think you're easy. You think you're easy. Money of life. I don't run here, darling. Depend your thing.
So you peel them and get the green inside, orange.
Just say big up yourself, yeah? All right. Respect. Wagwan.
It's all about Raga. Raga, you remember the good old days?
Tell me.
Paman talk, when me hear the Paman talk. Look on my face good, and me hear the Paman talk.
Which episode?
About the fat and the slim person.
What?
And when you say me can't bend and go down some.
Hey!
You say me can't walk. It's all about Raga.
Ah, boy, we give thanks, man. We're there, man. Blessings. Yo, get a shot of them can there, boy. We like that. The boil can something here, you know. Can't let go that thing, yeah. See it there? One look at pepper. Yeah, man. One look at pepper. Put what kind of on in there. You're wicked. Put what kind of on in there.
Let's do so. I feel it act. I take the part out.
Wild can.
You're telling the right thing. Don't do so.
No, you do it and show me how to do it. All right, me follow you. See it there. You do it now, man. See it there. Why, good to see you, blessings. Yeah, man, blessings.
You're going to talk about Yasmin?
Yeah, man, we see Yasmin, man.
Oh.
We see Yasmin, man. We are going down the road a little bit now.
Yeah, man, all right, take care.
Give me a shot of that belly. Give me a shot of that belly. Come here, man.